T-shirt help desk.
What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, t-shirthelpdesk.com, the place where we cover all things t-shirt related. Make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if you're watching on Facebook or Instagram and TikTok, maybe soon, follow us so you'll be notified of all this great information we have on the t-shirt industry. All right, guys, as we all know, COVID-19 has wreaked havoc on our entire planet. It's wreaked havoc on our economy, and it has, of course, affected the t-shirt industry as well. One part of the t-shirt industry that it has affected is print on demand. I've even heard some people say that they're not doing print on demand anymore because of it. But I want to let you guys know. Now, look, I cannot speak for every print on demand company, but rest assured, Printful is back in business, baby. Inventory's back on track. They're shipping stuff out. People are getting their orders. Okay, so you can know with confidence if you're rocking with Printful, all right, you can sell your stuff and people are going to get their stuff and everybody's going to be happy. So what I did was I took two styles that I did videos of me creating these styles. All right, you can check the links up right here. I took those styles and I put them on my Shopify store. Not just any Shopify store, but the t-shirter theme, all right? Shopify theme, all right, it's fantastic. The link is going to be down in the description box. I put them on there and I bought them for myself. Ordered them just to see how everything's going. Things came on time and they look great. I want you to check this out. Okay, so first things first, we're going to take a look at the theme. Those are the two styles, those bottom two styles. But we're just going to go downstairs a little bit. Just going to, that's the Instagram part of it. Just going to take a look and take a look-see at a little bit more of this cool theme. And we are going to come back up and we're going to click on this killer robot. You can see we're going to get and order this one. And then we're going to go and order this I Heart My Kicks. And they come in the mail, and here we go. Bam! Open them up, pull them out, lay them out, and oh my goodness. And these I got on the Bella canvas, but look at that print. Look at how nice that looks, all right? Looks like screen printing, feels a nice soft hand feel. I mean, guys, print on demand with Printful is amazing, all right? Just amazing. We got on the Bella Canvas tee. And also check this out. This is the Killer Robot one. And look at that. These things, they feel great. They look great. And this is what your customer is going to be getting. High quality printing, high quality tees, everything. Look at that. Look at the color. Look at how bright that is. Everything is great. You know, you do great artwork, you will get a great finished product. All right, don't let COVID stop you from getting into the t-shirt game. Back to me talking. So as you can see, those t-shirts look beautiful. When your customers buy from you, they're going to get something that looks just as beautiful. So the links for Printful are going to be down in the description box. The link for that t-shirt theme down for the description box. And I implore you, start a t-shirt business or die trying. Okay, get out there. You know, guys, print on demand is one of the easiest, if not the easiest way to get into the t-shirt industry. Okay, you don't have to do any printing, you don't have to buy any equipment, you don't have to buy any inventory, you don't have to buy blank tees. All right, you set them up and Printful will ship, print, do everything for you. All right, you just have to get the sales. So anyway, guys, do something good for somebody. If you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. As I said before, start a t-shirt business or die trying. Cheers to your t-shirts. And I am out. Peace.
Shirt man, yeah, that's me.